Somaliland ruux ku dhasho dheeftaada cunay wuxuu dhowrayaa dhulkaygo
Yeah. Who's a wonderful visitor from Somaliland, and BK is a fantastic and well-known, very famous singer and artist.
Really?
This is the Right Worshipful, the Lord Mayor of Sheffield, Councillor Tony Downing. This is Councillor Talib Hussein as well, and I'm Councillor Jackie Drayton from Bangui. And obviously you know Sophia Saeed, who's here, whose invitation you come. But I just want to say, BK isn't just a musician, not that just a musician and a famous, he's a campaigner for peace and a campaigner for Somaliland to get its recognition. And you know Lord Mayor in Sheffield, we signed that, we were one of the first councils to sign recognition. So it's great to have you here, and really, really pleased to honour you here in the Lord Mayor's chamber here in Sheffield City Council.
He said earlier, you know, we signed
the motion
in council
to ask the government to recognise.
We did. Yes. So it's great that you're here. It's nice for you to be in here with us in this lovely building, and I just want to wish you all a great time while you're here. I know you're only here for a couple of days. Please have a look round if you get the chance at the city. The city is now on the move. We had stalled for some time. The city still makes as much steel now as what we used to do years ago, but we don't make it with so many people. It's all automated now, and it's all done by machinery, which is good in one way, but in another way it cost jobs, but we've now got a digital community, a digital in Sheffield now, you know, and lots of other things that we are doing. We still make a bit of cutlery down at the Portland Works, what we call the Little Masters, what they used to be in Sheffield. They used to make all the knives and flatware, you know, forks and spoons and things like that. And of course we still have the Cutler's Company of Hallamshire, which has been going for over 400 years. We've been established over 400 years, and so it's great that you can come. But please do, if you get a chance, have a look round, and because it's such a wonderful city, and I'm sure you'll agree with that.
Thank you so much for inviting me here today. Thank you for your humbleness, and I'm very honored to be here. And I will keep coming back.
Yeah, good. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
misaan ragaadi ku dhintay dhaawac modhiga ku shubay daaxu dadkaygu ku dhiibiyo cadow ka dhacshaye dhulkaygu alla dhisno waliga dhisno Somaliland dabanaga ka dhasho adaan kugu dhaadana Disno waliga disno Somaliland dabanaga ka dhasho adaan kugu dhaadana